What's up, guys? It's JB here. Today I have two sabers I'm going to reveal. They belong to Will Foxwell, and basically they are the SaberForge Revan hilts. So we have the SaberForge Fallen. This is Revan's Sith hilt, and we also have the SaberForge Reborn, which was Revan's Jedi hilt. Both of these sabers are running Prizm 5.1s. They both have two 12mm momentary lit AV switches, and they are white lit on both of them. They're both running 28mm bass speakers, and they both have an internal recharge port in the chassis. And the chassis is the Jordan Mall chassis. I'm working on my own chassis right now as far as designs with a 3D print artist. So I will be having my own chassis and hopefully my own 3D printer soon, so I can develop my own chassis. The SaberForge Fallen is running a Tricree deep red, green. So you have the deep red and red as your main blade for a nice medium red, and the green acts as your flash on clash, so you have a yellow flash on clash. So that is default for all 6 fonts. This one is running a deep red, no, not deep red, royal blue, red, and green LED. So you have all the color possibilities with this one. The canon color for this is purple, and for the one it's red, obviously. The fonts that are in these, I'm not going to go through all of them because there's just too much, and I'm pressed for time right now. There's Ascension, Desolation, and First Steps, and Aggression. Those are all by K-Sith. And you have Rogue by Mad Cow and Form 2 by Lord Blocko. And these are all in the SaberForge Reborn. The SaberForge Fallen, the difference with that one is actually, no, those are all in the SaberForge Fallen. The difference between the Reborn and the Fallen is Desolation is replaced by Cryptic. Yeah, I'm not going to go through all the fonts, but I will show off the color. So I'll show you this in the light, and then I'll show it to you with the lights off. So here's the deep red and red running, and the flash on clash. It's a nice yellow. Here you have the 2 switches. They're wired up to the accent LED pads, and we wanted them both to be on while the saber was on. So when it's off, the main switch will act as a power indicator for when it's on, and when it's in deep sleep it'll turn off. And they're both set up the same way. You guys can see the purple in this one. So here's the purple and the 2 switches right there. And the default flash on clash I set for this one is white for all of them. There you go. Then the main will start to blink. So yeah, let me show you guys these with the lights off. Alright. So here's the SaberForge Reborn. It's a nice purple. Here's a flash on flash. And the SaberForge Fallen. It's a nice medium red. Yellow flash on flash. And both of them at the same time. So there you go, there's Revan's pose is like this. See if I can, something like that. There's a poster of him, drawing of him doing that. Yeah, these are pretty nice. Let me turn the light back on. Alright, Will, so these are your sabers. Please contact me with your address because I need that to ship them off so you can take them to the solo premiere. It's Monday already, so we need to get them there fast. If not, just let me know if you want to do faster shipping, and that way they can get there faster. But I do need your address so I can find out if it'll get there Thursday with regular priority mail. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I also wanted to share with you, since it's Monday, there's one more day for this, and I will be doing the drawing for the winner. It's Master Replica's Anakin, 2005 episode 3. So all you have to do is just follow my page on Facebook and look for the post about that, and you can have your chance, get a chance to win that thing. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll see you later, and peace.